How do you simultaneously raise efficiency and quality in a workshop? With Bosch Connected Repair, Mark changed his workshop into a connected workshop. A workshop in which the important information is seamlessly and immediately available to all devices and technicians. Every device is set up for every vehicle, ready for service and maintenance. The analysis is clearly laid out with precise instructions, ensuring all repairs are faster and also less error-prone. For Mark, this means his team spends less time with each car, enabling more services and inspection every single day. Stored centrally, the car's measurement and test results are always at Mark's fingertips, allowing him to transparently share the information with his customers and give him more time for the important things in life. This is Mark, and that is his connected workshop.